Avocado is a good source of monounsaturated fats and can be added to so many dishes. One of my favorite ways to use avocado is to make guacamole. With a few simple, fresh ingredients, you can bring this dish to any party. You will start with 2 ripe avocados. The avocado should not be firm, but have a little give to it when you press on the skin. Cut the avocado with a sharp knife the long way around the pit and twist the pit in order to separate the 2 sections. One section will have the pit, and carefully strike the pit with your knife so that it sticks to the pit. Twist the pit with the knife and remove the flesh from the avocado. You can save the pit to plant later. Scoop out the flesh from the skin with a spoon and place in a bowl. Now I like to mash the avocado with a fork for a chunky consistency and to make the avocado the right consistency before I add other ingredients. Once it's at your desired texture, add in the juice of 1 lime and the juice of half an orange. Now the acid in the citrus fruits will prevent the avocado from browning so quickly. Now avocado oxidizes when exposed to air, just like apples. Add in 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 to 2 jalapenos seeded and diced, and you can use how many jalapenos you want according to how spicy you like your guac. A half of a red onion diced. Add in a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1 tomato seeded and diced, and a pinch of salt. Carefully stir in to combine. Serve with chips and enjoy. If you're making this recipe ahead, cover it with plastic wrap, putting it directly on the guacamole to prevent air from touching it. Once ready to serve, just remove the plastic wrap and stir to refresh. You can use this recipe in place of mayo, on sandwiches, and in chicken salad, and even in deviled eggs. However you serve it, enjoy every bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.